glass restoration shop. He runs the upholstery side of it, and he is going to install a new headliner in Square Force 1. It's needed a headliner from day one. When you're driving down the road, it's literally rubbing the top of your head. So we're going to fix that today. Finnegan has no idea. I went by the other day and took one of the sun visors out, and he matched it up damn near perfectly with some material, and we're going to install that today. And then afterwards, we're going to see how long it takes Finnegan to realize there's a brand new headliner in Square Force 1. Jeff, this sucks.
Yes, it does. There's nothing fun about this, that's for sure.
What kind of glue we got?
Wellwood contacted cement.
So you order this through your work,
Yes.
and is this better than what you can buy at the store as far as like aerosol?
Yes, way better.
Yeah. All right. So this is not ideal. We don't have a compressor in the shop yet, so I'm using this little compressor I got from the house. Hopefully it works good enough for this. We got ZZ Top helping out today, aka Brandon. The famous question: how long did it take you to grow that beard?
7 years.
All right. You ever plan to shave it?
No.
All right. What do you treat it? How do you treat that thing?
Treat it nice. Treat it nice with some love, a little bit of shampoo, just blow dry it. That's it. That's all it takes.
All right. So there's a trick here. It don't have no brakes.
Oh, that's lovely.
But this car is really cool because when you turn the ignition on, the e-brake releases automatically. So go ahead and crank her up, give her a couple of pumps. All right. All right, now use that as your brake pedal because it won't engage while the car is running. It'll keep You'll figure it out. It's like a brake pedal. Nope, not even. You're wasting your time with that brake pedal. Yeah, weird, ain't it?
Yeah.
All the way back, all the way down is reverse. Billy Gibbons. Check it out. Headliner is done. I put everything right back where it was in the shop. So hopefully it'll take him longer than a couple of minutes to figure out what we've done today. It may take him a damn hour, who knows, so.
Oh, wow. We're here at the shop to put stickers on everything and put the insurance cards and everything. And Newbern has a surprise. I'm supposed to walk in here and figure out what it is.
I ain't telling you nothing.
All right.
See how long it takes you. I'll give you a hint.
Yeah, give me a hint.
Why don't you go put the insurance card in square for us?
Ah, I think I know what you mean. Okay, I have no idea what you did. Put the little screen thing in here? I have no idea what you did. I thought I'd pop in here and the little screen for the training thing would be installed. Or did you do it so well I don't see it? What did you do? I have no idea.
Take a look up.
Oh! I mean, oh, poop! Dude! This is, wow. This is so much better. Okay, so it sagged so much before. Well, and every one of these square bodies I've ever had is sagged. Is this a brand new headliner, or did you have someone come in and glue it back up?
Nope. So we come in here.
I smell new glue.
My buddy Jeff came in here and we stripped it all down, took all the backing off, cleaned everything up, and he put a brand new headliner in here.
Wow, and it's the contour thing. That wasn't there before, was
No,
it?
you couldn't see it because it was all drooping.
Oh,
you couldn't see the outlines.
So this is what it's supposed to look
Yeah.
like. Dude, this is great. The interior is completely...
Yep.
It's not restored. This is original to this truck. And now it's perfect. Wow, dude. Yeah, you needed to give me hints. I was literally going to start laying under the car to figure out what you worked on. Dude, this is phenomenal. Thank you. I'm so excited about this. Every time we make a video about this truck, and you see inside the cab while we're driving, I'd say 20% of the comments are about the headlight falling down.
That's why I did it.
Dude, that's awesome. All right, well let me put the current registration in there. Nope. Nope. Nope.
All right, so it took you roughly 5 minutes to figure it out.
Really not very good at this game. But I like the game. I like it a lot.
Where do you get it at?
I don't know.